Alright guys, I'm doing a special Instant Pot recipe here. What I have here is some beans. I'm going to throw that in there. But what I have specially, this is a grass-fed beef that I got. As you can see, it's extra lean. Comes in a nice little package like this. But it's grass-fed. And I got some carrots. And I got an onion here. So we're going to put it all together. I'm going to season it. And then cook it up and sort of do it like almost like a stew or a chili, whatever you want to call it. And I'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. I'm get it all prepped up now. Alright guys, as you can see, it's all ready to go. It's all seasoned. I put a cup of water in there. So it's gonna let it cook. It's gonna be, I'm gonna mix it up afterwards, but it's all seasoned, ready to go. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be back with the tasting. Alright, so the stew is all done. As you can see, the meat's all done here. I'm gonna break off a piece here. See what it tastes like with a little bit of the broth. There we go. Okay, do a quick taste test. So it's actually quite good. The broth is actually quite nice. The beans, the onions, the seasoning goes pretty well. It has a nice clear, clean broth taste, but you can see there's a little bit of oil on there. So what I'm going to do to finish it off is put it in the fridge and then just scrape off the oil. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.